Okay, so this is for question 3, part A. Distinguish between a human carrying capacity and an ecological footprint of a population. I think the best thing that you can do when you see something asking you to distinguish between two terms is to first define them. So the carrying capacity so you're going to get your definitions in. Almost certainly going to be 2 points just for getting your definitions in. So carrying capacity is the amount of people, in this case, because we're talking about human populations, that can be sustained in a given environment. It's a population size. So we might say that a particular ecosystem can support 30,000 people, like a desert ecosystem, compared to a really productive area of the world, like Thailand, perhaps could support 1 million people sustainably. Okay, so we're talking about numbers. With an ecological footprint, then, we're talking about an area of land. And you can remember this because the footprint is all about how big is this footprint. Okay, is it very big? Are you making a big dent on the earth? Or is it a very small, little, hardly making any impact kind of footprint? So the footprint is an area that can support, and in this case, the number is fixed, so this can support a given population. We might be talking about your personal footprint, in which case the given population is 1, your personal footprint, and then how much area do you need, 1 globe, 2 globes, 5 globes, to sustain that, that lifestyle. Okay, so how much area is needed to support a given population. So once you've got those definitions in, now you can see that these are actually the complete opposite of each other. Okay, so how we're distinguishing them, the ecological footprint is focused on area, and we start with the population, and the carrying capacity is the population size. They are actually the inverse of each other. And if you don't understand the mathematics behind that, it might be good just to memorize it for the case of the exam, but the ecological footprint equals 1 over carrying capacity, which we also call, do you remember, it's also called K, okay? And the carrying capacity equals 1 over the ecological footprint. They're just the inverse of each other. Because of this relationship in this one, we're looking at the amount of people, and this one we're looking at the area. In this one, the amount of people is fixed, and in this one, the given environment, the area is